What's going on, YouTube? Salt and Smoke. Today I'm gonna make a little jerk, Jamaican jerk, traditional jerk season. Walker's Wood. Got myself a whole chicken cut up. Gonna use. Woo! Smells pretty good. Get a knife, spoon, pull it on out. Just jerk paste. I tried it plenty times. My uncle put me onto it, so I felt it in the local international market. Just go there and pick it up. This is like the best kind that I tried Walker's Wood. The other brands, I don't know what authentic tastes, but if I would guess, that's the closest to authentic to me that it would be. So I'm just gonna rub it down. It's best if you let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Let it get seasoning on in there. This is like my first time cooking jerk.
Besides the curry we had, is that jerk?
Nah, but it's still Jamaican, like Jamaican Thai. It falls in with that, along with the Philippines. I'm not sure what curry is from, Philippines, Thai food or something? I want to say. I'm thinking it may need a little more jerk season. You think you can assist me putting a little jerk season on there? You're the best, Yeah, that's enough, honey. If this turns out good, honey, we're actually gonna make a video with jerk oxtails. Man, cause them last oxtails that we smoked on that grill, what did you think about them, babe?
A1.
A1. Hey, go check it out. Look at the video. It's just a couple videos back. Hey, it's the best oxtails. I don't think I'll never cook oxtails again in the crock pot. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it up, let it sit in the fridge. First I'm gonna wash my hands though, before I touch the aluminum foil. What's up, YouTube? See, I had to go buy me a floodlight, cause I like the late night smokes. I only need one out here. Go, got the little jerk chicken. I'm about to go ahead and throw it on. Let it marinate it. About a good 6 hours. I'm gonna put my big pieces over here.
Smell good, too.
You hear that? They said it smells good. It got to smell good. She said it smells good. Let's go ahead and check on the chicken. Get nice and brown. Look at that. Flip it over. Just a little jerk. You a jerk. You a jerk. Got about a chicken and a half. Like I said, hey, if this turn out good, best believe it will be an oxtail jerk video coming soon. Maybe even next weekend. Right now, they say to feel like it's 11 degrees outside. Man. Whew. It's pretty cold out here. I'm surprised I'm even able to keep the temp up out here right now. Check on the firebox. See the wood. Let the smoke roll, baby. Let it roll. Let's go ahead and pull this jerk off. Nice jerk. We rolling all night long. Look at the juice shooting out that thing right now. Like candy, candy. All night long. And then I'm gonna put it in the cooler, let it rest before I take a bite into a piece. Then I'm gonna keep cooking. Spotlight, I see you. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming daily. Hey, jerk chicken, I'm gonna let you know how it turned out. If it turned out well, you best believe that jerk oxtail's coming. You already know. Peace out.